Malachi chapter 4 verse 5 to 6 delivers a compelling prophecy foretelling the coming of the prophet Elijah before the formidable day of the Lord. The prophecy emphasizes a transformative mission, turning the hearts of fathers toward their children and vice versa, fostering reconciliation. Jewish Seders traditionally reserve an empty chair, symbolizing the anticipation of Elijah's return to announce the Messiah in alignment with Malachi's words. In the New Testament, Jesus identifies John the Baptist as the embodiment of Malachi's prophecy. Jesus clarifies that if people are willing to accept it, John fulfills the role of Elijah to come. This fulfillment is corroborated in multiple gospel accounts, reinforcing the connection between John and the prophesied return of Elijah. Matthew chapter 17 verse 10 to 13 elucidates the disciples' inquiry about Elijah's anticipated arrival. Jesus affirms that Elijah has indeed come, referring to John the Baptist, but tragically, he went unrecognized and met a fatal end, mirroring the fate Jesus foresees for himself. This revelation follows a poignant transfiguration scene where Jesus, Moses, and Elijah appear together. Despite John the Baptist's denial of being Elijah, scholars offer plausible explanations. Some propose that John's denial reflects a distinction between his self-perception and Jesus' acknowledgement of him as Elijah's symbolic return. John's humility and self-effacement do not negate Jesus' recognition of him fulfilling the prophecy. Analyzing John's ministry, parallels with Elijah emerge. Similar attire, a wilderness preaching location, a message of repentance and confrontation with powerful figures. John, as the metaphorical Elijah, played a crucial role in preparing his generation for the advent of Jesus Christ, the embodiment of reconciliation and the seeker of the lost.